Hola, welcome to Fan for Spanish Materials. Today's video is going to be about going to restaurants and bars. This is going to be very similar to the topic we did before. That was called go shopping. Because going to restaurants and bars is pretty much the same as buying things. The difference is here you're buying food and drinks. So it's exactly the same thing, but with slight difference. It's pretty much the same thing. So the three main like steps or stages is to ask for the product you want, to order it, and to pay. So remember, preguntar is to ask or so, to ask questions also like uh, you can ask do you have things or do you have or just to look for the product you want. So we have three ways of doing it. So we can have the first one is with I. I is the word to there is. Remember, there is, there are. So you can say I sopas, I jugos, I, well, zumos or zumos in Spain, I cerveza, I carnes. So you can pretty much put any item here after the word I. You're asking if they have that product. So hay pescado, hay hamburguesas, hay ensaladas. Yeah. Another way you can ask for this kind of things is tienen. It's like do you guys have tienen sopas, tienen jugos, tienen cerveza? Same thing. It's exactly the same question. And there is an extra question here. ¿Qué hay de? And this question uh, is very used in restaurants. We use it a lot for um, um, like the dishes. You know, sometimes there are dishes like the first, the second, the third, or sometimes we use it a lot for just to like what do you have for like to drink or to eat. So, ¿qué hay de beber, for example, is what do you have to drink? ¿Qué hay de tomar is also what do you have to drink? Uh, ¿Qué hay de postre is what do you have for dessert? ¿Qué hay de desayuno? What do you have for breakfast? ¿Qué hay de cena? What do you have for dinner? And ¿qué hay de primero? What do you have for first course? ¿Qué hay de segundo? What do you have for second course? And so on. So this is like what do you have for or what do you have to if it's a verb, drink or eat. That's pretty much it. You know, with these questions you can ask for the availability of all the products you want. Once you know the product is there or you've chosen your product, you're gonna order. And to order, we are gonna use a very simple approach. And we talked about this approach also in the go shopping. You're gonna use the una or un, right? And then you name the thing you want, and then please. That's it. Una Coca-Cola, por favor. You don't need to say, "Would you mind bringing me a Coke?" or uh, 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 "I would love to have a Coke." No, you don't need to do all that. We are simpler. You just name the product and say, "Please." That's it. Una Coca-Cola, por favor. Un vaso de agua, por favor. And also, if it's to take away, para llevar. If it's to eat here, para comer aquí, por favor. That's it. So you can order anything and then you say para llevar. Una Coca-Cola, una hamburguesa, una pizza, por favor, para llevar. That's it. That's how you order. Yeah. Um, and if it's para comer aquí, so to eat here, you can also say para comer aquí. Now, once you get your food and your drinks and everything, you gotta pay, right? And then to pay, well, you can use this la cuenta, por favor. It's very uh, I don't know. Everybody says this thing, but yes, I mean, this is more like for restaurants. Okay, this is not for stores. This is just when you are in a restaurant. So don't use it in a pharmacy. Don't use it in a store, or a clothing store. No, it's just for restaurants or maybe like a bar. Yeah. Um, Now, if you are somewhere else, yeah, you can also, I mean, also in bars and restaurants, it's better to say cuánto es. Yeah, cuánto es, or, which is means how much is it. Or also, you can say cuánto le debo is how much do I owe you. And this one is really good. Cuánto le debo. Nobody says this. I mean, we native speakers, we use this a lot. Cuánto le debo. So yeah, maybe you can incorporate this one to sound a little bit more, I don't know, fancy. And yeah, with these, you can pretty much go ask for the things you want, order the things you want, and pay the things you want. Oh, one thing here, con tarjeta o con efectivo, yeah, pagar con tarjeta, yeah. I think we talked about this in the Go Shopping topic, so you can go and check it out. Con tarjeta o con efectivo, yeah. Sometimes people say en efectivo. So go to the shopping, Go Shopping topic, and there you're gonna find these things too. Sometimes you can pay by card, sometimes you can pay by cash. So yeah, con tarjeta and en efectivo. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.